Today we'll show you how to add USA International Language in your keyboard in Windows 11, of course. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, first you need to open your settings here. Okay, now go to settings and now go to this hours of and the language in the number 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's here in the 7, and go and now go to this essays like this in the 3. Just click and now go to down and click to language and the region. Okay, just click. Okay, after this you will find here two language, because I'm now installing this Arabic for the old video how to add Arabic language. Now I will show you how to add USA International Language here. Okay, just click on now. It's like add a language new. Just click and go here, like search about English here. Okay, we will find the more much language English, like South Africa, Australia, and EIM, USA, and you can find much. Okay, just now you go to click like English United States. Okay, just click and go to this ribbon like the next, and click to next to, and go now. I don't want this, and I don't. UK, you can do this, okay, but I don't want this. Okay, after this just like go to install, and finally now we have the English United States International in our language here. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.